So here we have the carburetor for this Honda bike. Now on this Honda bike, unfortunately, let me show you. I still got the part. Unfortunately, this part right here, this little base thing, it broke. I think what happened is that it got cracked and stuff because of the heat and such like that. So it finally broke. So I had to go ahead and make another one out of plexiglass. So there it is. So it's nice and neat. So what we have here is where did it go? Where'd it go? Okay, yes. Okay, so we have the gas intake. It goes through here, and this float here, when it goes up, it should cut off the flow to the gas. And then just go ahead and put back and forth gas and stuff when it needs it. So let's go ahead and first put in the high-speed nozzle here. It must be at least a 7 or 8. Oh, good. Okay, let's go ahead and put in, we'll put in the little idle. The idle speed nozzle. Get another, we'll have another. So have to work, I guess. Here we go. Okay. So now, could not find the exact O-ring for this guy. But also, if you look on here, where it would match everything, there's nothing here. There's no no intake or anything like that. So basically, this is just a false. This right here is just a false thing. So I'm just going to go ahead. This screw here will be your idle for your bike. So going in and out and everything will make it go faster or slower depending on where you put the idle. So, you know, and then what it does is that it just keeps the little cover here up, and then when you put more gas or anything, it just goes up, and then more gas goes through, air and gas. Okay, so there we go. Just have, let's see, what do we got here? Okay, so we have, I believe this is the overflow. What you do is you go ahead and you open this up, and it should go through here. This is to empty out the carburetor. And, oh. I think this might be the gas itself. Yeah, I think that's the gas. And this is the atmospheric vent or whatever. So you got your gas intake, you got your vent here, and then you have, this is to go ahead and to just let all the gas out at the end of the year when you want to just put it away for a while when you're done playing with your bike.